Hi, I'm Joanna.
And I'm Jesus.
And we said I do in Orlando
North. I keep I'm not good at this.
I'm giving the energy.
Okay.
You give the energy. Hi, I'm Joanna.
And I'm Jesus.
And we said I do in Orlando North.
So the way I proposed was at Hidden Palms Ranch, right? Horseback riding, and she definitely didn't expect it, and yeah, it was beautiful.
So he was like, oh, we're gonna do something really different. We're gonna go ride horses or whatever. When we went out there, it was beautiful. The sun was out, it was the perfect day, and the horses were great, and the field was beautiful. And he took me out to the sunflower field, and he was like, I'm gonna take some pictures of you, just walk in the field. And so I was walking, and and he was like about to get on one knee. And then I was like, oh, babe, be careful, because there's like horse, poop there. And he was like, oh, it's fine, just keep going. So I like took a few more steps, and then he said my name, and I turned around, and he was on one knee. And I just started bawling, crying, and our guide was taking pictures from behind, and it was perfect.
Yeah.
The moment I would say that I knew that it was the venue for me, when I walked in and I seen the piano, and then I seen the velvet curtains, and the building had so much character that I really fell in love with the vintage vibe. I knew that that's what I wanted. I picked the venue, by the way.
I'm Lisa Finnerty, and I'm a member of the Women's Club of Sanford, and I'm also the rental chairman. This building was built as a church in the late 1800s, and so it has a wonderful feeling, a warmth about it. It's historical. It's right in the middle of the historic district of Sanford, and it's one of those places that whether you have 25 people or 150 people, it fits. We allow you to use anyone you want for all your services, your catering, your designers, your DJs. Alcohol is allowed. We have a fully functional stage. We're also just a block away from Centennial Park in Sanford, and many times our brides and grooms will get married in the park and then come back to the clubhouse just steps away and have their reception. Hook up online with us at Women's Club of Sanford, and you'll see the forms, you'll see photographs, you can show your friends and family, and we can't wait to hear from you, and come to Orlando North to say I do.
So I decided that I wanted to DIY all of the decor and everything myself, and he's the muscle, so he helped move everything and lift everything. So we did it together, and with our family, we brought the venue to life, and the vision came to life. It really did.
Yeah, all the hard work definitely showed.
Yeah, it really did. Not only was the decor amazing, but we had great entertainment too. And choosing that venue and the budget that we had allowed us to have really cool entertainment. We had a stilt walker, LED dancer, we had a caricature artist, and we had a photo booth. So there was a lot of different elements that brought the day together, and everyone had fun. I would say there's a lot of different reasons why I would recommend the Women's Club. I would say people that are looking for kind of a venue that has character of a vintage vibe, something more historical, that's definitely a great place. It's 2 floors, super spacious, and with a lot of vision, you can definitely bring it to life. You can't beat for the price that it was. Especially if you're a budget bride, I would definitely recommend them. I haven't seen it. I don't know what it is. What is this? What is this? Oh, yeah. I love it. Wow, look at the green. We said I do in Orlando North, and you should too.
you.